How to change country or region in Microsoft Store. Hello everyone, welcome back to our tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change country or region on Microsoft Store. In order to do that, you need to simply close the Microsoft Store. Yes, you heard me right. You need to close the Microsoft Store and then you need to go to your Start button over here or search icon, and from here you need to search change the date and time. Once you find that, this will take you to the date and time settings. Now you need to scroll down and then you need to click on language and region option over here. Simply click on that. From here, you need to scroll down and under the region section, you need to select your country or region that you want to change into. Now let me select here. I want to select from United States to Nepal. So you need to simply search for Nepal. Now, once you have done that, you need to close this and then you need to go to Start button and then you need to press on here. From here, you need to simply click on Restart, and there you have it. You have successfully changed country or region on Microsoft Store like this. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.